Good afternoon, this is Bob Iaccino coming to you from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago, talking currency futures. Let's talk yen futures here, 94.23 in toward the close, which is virtually unchanged, but the yen was up 1.4% on the highs, and it's up about 8.25%, 8.4%, somewhere in that range in the previous 5 months. So the yen has been one of the better performing majors, and even though we finished in toward the end of the day at unchanged, it looks like it's going to stay that way. It's definitely in a really solid uptrend, and pullbacks are likely to be bought. We got Japanese CPI this morning, Japanese inflation data, and that inflation data performed pretty well. It came in as expected at 1.5%. So that was not a surprise, but that 1.5% number is a 2 3/4 years high for Japan's CPI, and the core CPI came in above 1% for the first time in double-digit years in about a decade. So that is some pretty strong CPI data, even though it came in as expected, drove the yen higher as well. And then on top of that, we got continued concerns on the US dollar with the trade war that is currently active. We had China saying that tariffs by the president would be considered a first shot in a trade war, and China retaliated with $3 billion in trade tariffs themselves, a fraction of what President Trump put in place. We do have 60 days for them to take effect, but still, this is technically now a trade war, and the Japanese yen is a flight to quality currency. So if there's geopolitical tensions of this sort, you will get buying of the yen. Also, Japan is a trade ally, although so far they've not gotten exemptions from the steel and aluminum tariffs. The other tariffs don't apply, they're specific to China. But the president has been encouraging allied trade countries to put forth their case for those exemptions. So we may see that next week. This is Bob Iaccino talking about an unchanged yen from the CME Group trading floor in Chicago.